Watch this video and learn how to draw a wobbly Jello. Later in the show, Bunny Fluffington has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Yeah. What are we gonna draw today?
Today, Artie, we're going to draw one of your favourite foods, Jello.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
I'm so happy to see everyone today.
Are you ready, Artie? Should we start?
Let's get going.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's start by drawing a big curved line from the middle of the page going up towards the top, a smaller half circle, and then come down the right side with another big curved line, and then connect the bottom two lines with another curve. We made a sort of tooth shape.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Let's draw another curved line alongside at the left with a smaller curve coming in at the bottom and then one at the top going in at the top.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Now let's do a third one. Same thing again. Curved line, a smaller curved line at the bottom, and a smaller curved line at the top. Now let's see if we can do exactly the same on the right side of the page. That's right, Artie. Oh, here's Bunny.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Artie, your drawings are so good. I'd hang them in my bunny burrow.
Oh, wow, thank you.
See you soon, my artsy friend.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, it's always nice when Bunny comes to visit. She's so cute.
Yeah.
You've got one more curved shape to do on the right. And now we have a symmetrical drawing. That means it's the same on the left side as it is on the right side.
Oh, let's have a dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah,
But why are we whispering?
please.
Okay.
Dance break! Yay! Woohoo!
Are you dancing, little artists?
Dancing is fun!
can I say to that? I just don't have words. I have two numbers, though. 1, 0, 10.
Oh, that's great.
That was a great one.
Yeah.
Bunny can dance.
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, okay.
Come on,
Yeah,
then.
okay.
Let's draw two little half circles on the top of our Jell-O. You know where I'm from, Marty. We call this jelly.
Jelly?
Yes, jelly. Keep watching, because coming up, Artie's in a cartoon. Now let's draw a nice spoon to eat the Jell-O with. Draw a sort of egg shape, and then coming out of the bottom of the egg shape, two straight lines, one at the bottom, another one on the top, and then a curved end.
Oh, Painty! No!
Wow!
Well, I'm lost for words.
Let's draw the end on the spoon. And now let's give the spoon some thickness. So we're going to repeat the curve underneath on the left side, and then repeat the straight line coming down, and then at the end, and now the spoon has thickness.
Oh, cartoon break, cartoon break, cartoon break.
Okay, Artie,
cartoon break.
okay.
Let's have
All right,
a
we get it.
Cartoon break.
I take it you want a cartoon break?
Yes, please.
Okay then.
Yay! Cartoon break, cartoon break. Yeah.
Artie, let's go and find things that are shaped like an octagon.
Artie loves octagons.
Artie, look, an octagon-shaped street sign.
Octagon street sign.
Artie, this store has octagon-shaped mirrors.
Octagon mirrors.
Look, the park sign is an octagon.
Octagon sign.
Pretty flowers in an octagon flower bed.
Octagon flower bed.
Octagon picnic plate.
Octagon plates. Octagon sandwich. Artie loves octagons.
Cartoon break. That was a really good one.
It really was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing now?
Okay.
Come on then, it's nearly finished.
Cartoon break.
Okay. Now let's draw a plate underneath our Jell-O. Two curved lines between the spoon and the Jell-O, and then another two curved lines on the right side. And then we're going to continue all the way around from the spoon and connect back to the ends of those two lines.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Another line underneath to finish the plate. And a couple of short lines just underneath the spoon so that we can see the plate going all the way around. Finally, let's add some wobble lines. Lots of little lines to show that the Jell-O is wobbling.
I finished.
You finished? I thought you were. It looks great.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I like it. But it needs color.
It does.
Let's color it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Finished. All done.
What a wonderful drawing, Artie.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Great colour.
I love all the colors.
I nice and pink.
Yeah.
Are you proud?
Oh, I'm very proud. Thank you.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow to Artie's show.
Have an Artie day!
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again on the Artie show. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Bye-bye.
Wow!